You sure you need to be drinking that early in the morning, brother?
Straight lemon lime up.
Need to be like me. I'm eating fruit in the morning. Can't never go wrong with some good mandarin oranges.
I mean, it's just Sprite, bro. That Sprite you're waking me up, bro. You good, man? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's early morning. I never moan while eating my food.
Oh! Woo, woo, woo! Your girl just tuning in, clocking in, back with one of them ones. I'm back with yet another banger ski. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all see that thumbnail? Y'all see the title? Look, gang, I'm finna be making little sounds in front of my best friend. You feel me? Throw that boy off, do a little yawn, a little who, a little woo, a little But look, gang, it's finna get a little freaky, you feel me? I'm finna make some little love sounds, some little moan sounds in front of Twin. See his reaction, bro, while I'm eating. That's why I got these fruit cups. I feel like you could do it best when you got the fruit involved. We finna throw that man off guard when he hear the sounds that's coming from me eating. Let's see what Twin say. Y'all know what to do, gang. Like, comment, subscribe, tap that notification bell so y'all can see these bangers rolling in back to back to back. P.O. box is in the description down below if you want to send your girl anything. Other than that, little Twin, you know what to do by this time, man. Grab your snacks, your popcorn, your grandma, your great-grandma, your great-great-granny. Let them know that Jazz dropping his banker, man. Let's hop into it. Man, I think I might stream today. I ain't gonna lie.
Guess you'll turn the eyes on.
Yeah, I might turn my eyes on today, Twin.
I ain't gonna stunt, man. We gotta get some interactions today and on the game.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. I'm on that time of the day.
I'm still looking for that girl, bro.
I'm on that time of the day. I'm gonna go in there and trap a little bit, but I'm really just trying to like have fun today.
Yeah, I'm trying to get active, bro.
And get active, bro.
The money already good.
The money already good, bro. I don't have to trap. I can trap a little bit, but you feel me?
We need to go
I'm really trying to, you feel me? Run down on that. I'm really trying to do that in GTA.
I'm
you
looking
feel
for
me?
Shorty that popped me, bro. Like,
Hopefully she be back on.
Oh, she on.
Hold on. I'm gonna ask my homegirl. She gonna be in the city today.
Because Domo said she one of them city girls. So
oh, look, she on right now. I'm gonna ask her.
I'm looking for the city girls.
She be sending me all these other shit to be in. I'm gonna say, you gonna be in the city today?
Yeah, she gonna be on. We looking for the city girls, bro.
Look, I'm gonna ask her. I'm like,
yo, she got her whole account set up.
Yeah, her shit lit.
I'm trying to get active.
I'm like, you gonna be in the city today? Dang, I did lose her number. Yeah, remember they reset my phone on the game.
Oh, they did? Oh, wait, yeah. They reset your phone?
They reset everybody's phone when we got that black.
I had all them numbers.
You still got all your original numbers?
I had all my numbers, right?
Not mine. They did that blackout thing. I lost all the shorties numbers I had.
I probably did lose them. I got all y'all stuff, bro.
Oh yeah, but see, I was talking about females' numbers in my phone too. Oh. That's how I knew my stuff got wiped because I went back.
I had nobody number really.
Oh yeah, you don't even never drop your number, bro.
Yeah, really, unless I'm like buying some pistols or something.
I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's one of them days, bro, where I'ma just chill.
Yeah, I'm cool.
If we do vibe with the scooters tonight, you know I'm always down for a good time, brother. I'm not the one who be capping. You know what I'm saying? Or flogging on doing active. Oh, they rocking with it, Twin?
Yeah, I would've did a
They rocking with it, Twin?
They like the car.
Hold on, Twin.
They love the car, bro.
You going OC.
Gotta get me a drink, but my throat dry.
You gotta get you a drink.
Yeah. Like a damn Powerade or something. Yeah, y'all, come on. Let me go and park in the front real quick, little Twin. Prime time.
Hey, bro, get you a Prime energy drink, bro.
Boy, I'm not getting.
If you want to build good energy in the morning, big bro, get you a Prime energy drink. I'm just letting you know.
Make sure I can go up a little
I'm just letting you know. I ain't gonna lie, this hard. I might give me one.
This one I got yesterday. I think this
the Prestige. That's their brand.
Line, bro. It's actually clean. I said I might as well go and throw it on. I said I got too much.
You don't waste no time.
I don't waste no time, man.
Bro, don't be wasting no time. We don't be having nothing to do. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like putting nothing on there.
Yeah, this light. I said I'm gonna chill in the game with this on. You know what I'm saying? Like,
hey, brother, you got it.
This gaming wear, Twin. This gaming.
You got it. Yo, your drawers on backwards too, brother. Inside out.
Yeah, for real.
You pulling the Jordan and loaded. Yeah. Just look at the top of your drawers. Just look at the top of your hands. Just look at it, big bro.
Hey, it is what it is. It is
Niggas be getting dressed in the dark. Hey, the hell be going on, bro? Oh no. This one over? Okay. Got my fruit. It's fruit o'clock. It is fruit o'clock. Ooh, this thing is too juicy. I gotta, you feel me? Let it out. Let a little bit of that juice out. know what I'm saying? Like I let that juice out your granny. Oh!
Ain't never filled with a spray.
Hey, can't, brother. You sure you need to be drinking that early in the morning, brother?
Straight lemon lined up.
You need to be like me. I'm eating fruit in the morning, you feel me? Can't never go wrong with some good mandarin oranges.
I mean, it's just Sprite, bro. That Sprite be waking me up, bro.
One mandarin orange?
Nah, bro, it ain't that damn good. I mean, I know it's all slurpy, but like, you making some excessive ass noises.
You don't want a little bit, brother?
Nah, bro, I don't want no oranges.
Sure?
I mean,
Oh, God, it's good protein in the morning, I ain't gonna lie.
You just slurped it, bro. Like, why would I want something?
No, the ones at the bottom I ain't even touch. So damn good.
You good, man? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's early morning, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Exactly, twin. You gotta wake up and eat fruit in the morning, bro. See, waking up and drinking a Sprite, that's bad business, bro. You gotta wake up and eat oranges, eat strawberries, eat pineapple, mangoes, stuff that's like good for the body and the heart, twin. Like, no cap.
why are you like getting sexual while eating the food, bro? Like, you reminded me of them people that like get sexual with animals and stuff like that. Like, you eating food.
Hold on, wait, twin.
Yeah, bro.
You said animals?
Yeah, bro.
I do not
Like,
get
that's
sexual
about-
with no damn animal.
So why are you
Dude,
getting
like I
sexual
like
with-
dogs, cats, and kangaroos.
Why are you getting sexual with food?
So I'm just eating my food and enjoying my
Exactly,
oranges.
You're fucking moaning.
They juicing. No, I'm
You're
not, brother.
moaning, bro. You
They
literally,
juicy.
bro. That's weird, bro. You throwing off my vibe, bro. Like, I don't even like condone and stuff like that, bro. Just eat the oranges like a regular human being.
That's what I'm doing,
You're
twin.
not a
I'm
regular
eating no
human being right
oranges.
now, bro. That's not regular human being vibes, bro. You throwing me off, bro. Like, don't do that.
Bro, you tweaking, twin, on God, bro. I don't know what you hearing, bro, but you OC tweaking.
Like, I hear it, bro. You saying, like, nobody does that. Yeah, you can't ride with me. Oh, my soul, he throwing me the fuck off, bro. You weird.
Hey, bro, you want one?
No. How the hell do you have another one on you?
I
Like,
keep them on me.
I don't
I keep
want
the
it,
oranges
bro.
on me, brother. You gotta have good fruit every day. Hold on, that's $3.92. That's a girl.
It's a girl.
Oh, mama.
Okay? Pull off like that. Bro, can you stop? God damn, bro. Like, chill out, bro.
Dang, what's Shawty doing with that? I like that. It turned me on. That turned me on when a shorty
I like to see a girl
is in a, like, yeah, you feel me?
Yeah.
In a sport car.
But I don't think she'd like to hear you fucking slurping on some damn mandarin oranges, whatever the hell they
call
it.
mandarin oranges.
Yeah, mandarin oranges. Just eat
You got some of these in your crib? I'm gonna get you some of these.
Bro, I used to
good.
have some in my crib, bro. I don't eat them like that, but when I eat them regular, bro, and I don't slurp on them.
You want
bro.
one, money?
No, I don't want one. I don't. Just eat it regular, bro. You doing slurps and stuff like, bro, what the hell is it making you horny, bro? Like, wait. Is it making you horny?
What are you talking
How
about,
does
horny,
food
brother?
turn you on, bro? That's
My
what I'm
food
saying.
is just
You
good.
not-
I'm just enjoying my food.
You not regular, bro.
I'm just enjoying my food. You right. I'm 1-to-1. I'm not regular.
No, man, you not.
I was never regular. I was never born to be normal, twin.
That's giving them.
I'm born to be different.
Serial killer vibes.
We both born to be different. We 1-to-1.
Yeah, I know that, but like the thing is, when I was born, bro, I was born to eat my food the right way. I never moan while eating my food. How do you think the members would feel seeing you moan while you eat food? How do you think they would actually feel?
They gonna say that I'm
No, they
enjoying
gonna
my
look at you
food.
different. Yeah, you enjoying it way too much, bro.
On God, twin. Life is too short,
How
twin,
is a
not to
man-
enjoy your food.
how is a man or-
Not to really taste your food and put your all in your taste buds in it. Life too short. On God.
You right, bro.
Hey, man, go slow down so I can throw some of these juices out.
Bro, if you get that shit on the side of my car, bro.
I said slow down. Maybe I can get my
I'm about
juice
to say,
out.
if you get that shit on the side of my car, bro.
It ain't gonna get on the side of your car, bro. God, Lee, if you would slow down, I can actually get the juice
I'm
out.
going a damn drive speed limit. God damn.
I don't need
You
my
over here
oranges.
slurping and flirting all on some damn food.
You know what I need? I need me some water.
Nah, bro. You drink a damn Sprite. You can take a water pop.
Nah, bro, I need me
That's
some
your
water.
best bet,
Fresh,
bro.
ice cold water.
I'm not stopping to get you no water, bro.
We can go to McDonald's.
No, bro. I'm not getting you nothing else. Because what if you start moaning while you drink some water? I'm not doing that.
Twin, this is just how I enjoy my
Alright,
fruit,
that's
brother. You
cool.
thinking way too
Drink
much
your
about
spit.
it, bro.
Drink your spit.
You thinking way too much about it, bro.
I'm not thinking about it.
So,
I'm
twin,
hearing
I can't
it.
get no
I'm
H2O, no
literally hearing it,
hydration.
bro. I'm literally hearing it. I don't want to hear that in my car, bro. Literally. I want to hear a regular human being.
You don't want me to enjoy my food in your car, is what you telling me.
At this point, bro, it's about to get bad to even fucking eat in my car. If you're gonna act like that, and it's towards any damn body, there's no eating in my damn car, bro, unless you're gonna eat it the right way. And like
I ain't even being messy though, twin. I'm cool.
Bro, you're being sexual. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that, bro. Call a girl or something while you fucking eat the damn mandarins and oranges, nigga. Don't do that while I'm around. Or do it when I get out the car, okay? Other than that, on my timing, you eat it the right way.
You want one of these?
No, nigga, stop offering. It's like you want me to moan with you. I don't want to moan with you, nigga.
Brother, we don't have to moan together. I was just you know what I'm saying? Asking if you wanted to moan.
Bro, I'm good, bro. I got snacks at the crib, bro. You throwing me out, bro. God damn. Being sexual and stuff towards some food. You do give off them vibes like you would do something with an animal, bro.
An animal, bro. If you don't get the bro, twin, oh God, bro. I am not one of them, bro. I do not like animals, bro. I would never get caught doing nothing funny. Nothing in that timing with an animal, bro. Don't play on like on my top, bro.
I really pray for you, bro.
Pray for me. Continue to pray. I love prayer.
I really hope that
God is good. Continue to pray for me.
I hope you're not one of them people that'll do something with an animal, bro.
Brother, take me to the HQ because you ain't give me no water.
Bro, no, I ain't eating no water.
And these oranges, they making my throat like, you know what I'm saying? A little parched.
I gotta stop to make, nigga. It's either you riding with me now, nigga. But all I know, if you
brother, you can't stop me by the Exxon or Shells or none no type of gas station to get some water?
I was at a damn store. You was so focused on eating them goddamn oranges, slurping and flirping and shit. Look at you. Now you need to quench your thirst. You should have just drink the juices in that shit. Maybe that would have turned you.
Right. I'm gonna get the juices at the bottom.
Weird ass nigga, bro. I don't know.
But they help my thirst. You got a napkin here, twin?
How you think your mom and daddy feel if they heard you doing some shit like that? Tell me.
They gonna say that girl's enjoying her food.
Nah, they gonna say I didn't fucking raise my daughter to be like this. Especially your daddy. I know he'll look at you fucking disappointed. Like
he gonna be like, my baby enjoying her food.
No,
let her
bro,
eat.
Ain't no damn body on earth sitting there doing stuff like that, bro. I don't know if you got diagnosed with some type of stuff or whatever. I don't even know what to look up to see what you got diagnosed with.
You sure you don't want an orange?
Bro, stop offering me that damn orange before I toss that shit out the fucking window.
Now that's crazy, twin. This is fresh fruit.
On my soul, like stop.
I'm just saying it's fresh fruit, brother.
I don't want no damn oranges, bro.
There's no reason to throw the oranges out, brother. I want my protein.
Bro,
you feel me? I want my.
No, stop talking, bro. You gotta go home, bro. You can't ride with me.
Exactly. I'm trying to go home.
Ride with me, bro. Steady fucking stuff.
You know, I don't even want the oranges no more, bro. You messing up my appetite.
I'm fucking glad.
You messing up my vibe, bro.
That shit ain't making me feel no damn different. I don't feel bad or nothing. I'm glad I messed up your vibe.
You messing up my vibe, bro.
Shit, man.
I'm gonna throw these oranges out, bro.
Could only imagine how the hell you would act at a farm.
Golly. Can't even enjoy my food around here, man. Just trying to enjoy my little eats, enjoy my little fruit in the morning, man, and vibe out.
Enjoy your food and get horny. Who the hell does that?
Brother, I love to enjoy my food. I like to taste it. I like to, you know what I'm saying? To be elegant with it. I like my food to be submissive.
I'm about to look that shit up. What does it mean when you moan when you eat your food? I know you diagnosed or something.
You know what it means, twin? It mean I was playing with you. That's what that mean. I was doing it on purpose, nigga.
Nah, bro. Hell nah.
Come on, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing on my top, bro. You know dang well I don't be moaning and groaning while I eat my food. I done ate around you plenty of times, twin. I was just throwing you off. I was just throwing you off. And you steady Googling it, bro.
While eating.
Bro, stop Googling it, bro. Stop.
Stop, dummy.
I ain't got no damn condition.
I already got half of it typed in.
I was just playing with you, twin. I was just throwing you off. Exactly. What? Take me to the HQ, bro. Get me up out of here.
What does it?
It means nothing. It means nothing. I was playing, bro. Come on, twin. Stop playing, bro. You know I ain't.
What does it mean to moan while you eat?
Oh my God. What it say then? What it say?
What is it? To make a compliment.
Man, nothing. Exactly. Exactly. To enjoy your food.
Usually this means
to enjoy your food.
They are diagnosed with very sexual activity.
Man, get on, bro. Get on. It means that I'm enjoying my food.
Right.
You feel me?
No, it didn't type it out right. I said, what does it mean to moan?
Man, I was playing though, twin.
No, bro.
You ain't gotta keep looking it up.
Here it is.
You ain't gotta keep looking it up,
Here it is.
bro.
A negalism that indicates a
my God.
Euphoric feeling and satisfaction that occurs during the consumption. So while you was consuming the food, it was turning you up. And they said it's amazing.
Exactly, in a way. It was filling my belly up.
They say that's weird though.
Man, you said it's weird.
They said this is completely normal. Babies make sounds while they eat because they absolutely
it's normal.
The taste of milk.
But I was just playing.
Nah, so
I was just playing, brother. I ain't gonna lie. It ain't normal for me. It's normal for them babies. It ain't normal for me.